All right, guys, going to do a quick overview of how I like to set up my Explorer view here for PDM. There's a couple of things that I like to change every time I jump into a new system with PDM. One of them, if we go to the Preview tab here and we click on a file, I like to actually not have the card preview. That's this tab available. So if you go up to Display at the top here, you can uncheck Card Preview, and you'll get a full preview here. From a usage standpoint, that doesn't matter so much, but I do also like to have the full user interface available here. So I would go up to Tools, Options, and show the full UI for the preview. That way I get my measure tool and be able to flip through configurations and such. Kind of the next thing that I do here is make sure that I go up to Display, and in those options, there's a couple of things that I like to see. So one, I want to see the bitmap for SOLIDWORKS file, so it's faster to load the preview when I click through documents that actually have a bitmap associated to them. And then if I want to see the full preview, I just click on the load. Especially with assemblies, that makes it quite a bit faster. The next thing would have to do with kind of the data card. As you're clicking through here, by default, it's set to show the configuration tab, that is the properties for the active configuration. So I recommend going up again to Tools, Display, Options, and unchecking set focus to active configuration. What this will let me do is go to the Custom tab, where most people want to set up their default properties for their models, right? If it is a model that has a lot of configurations, then yeah, you're going to go over to the configuration specific properties and fill those in. But what I don't want is when I switch between parts here for it to go to those configuration tabs, I want all of my tabs to default to this at tab, which is, again, the custom properties of the file. So hopefully that helps you guys. Have a great day.